Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about Jupiter transit in Aquarius from 6 April 2021 to April end 2022. You know very well my all predictions are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with the moon sign or zodiac sign. Let's start for the Sagittarius ascendant. Sagittarius ascendant, your Lagan Lord started transit in your third house from 6 April 2021 to 14 September 2021, and again Jupiter enter in Aquarius from 21st of November 2021 to till April end 2022. This whole time, Sagittarius, you will be sky high. You will be top. Your ascendant Lord is in third house. Your confidence level will be sky high. You will achieve lot of goals due to your braveness and courage. Jupiter aspecting is on your 7th house, 9th house and 11th house. Being an ascendant Lord transit in 3rd house, aspecting is on your 7th, 11th house and 9th house. It will be a very fruitful time for you. If you want to settle in foreign land, this is the right time. If you want to invest your money somewhere with someone, this is the right time. You will get a lot of opportunity for start a new business in new partnership because Jupiter 5th aspect is on your 7th house. This whole time, Sagittarius, you will enjoy very great, very positive events in your life, which you are expected from last few years. And this whole time, from 6 April 2021 to till April 2022, you will be top, you will be rock. You just need to think positive and perform best. Good fortune is in your favor. Your old pending work will click. You will enjoy great success. Jupiter aspecting is on your 9th house. 7th aspect is on your 9th house. Your good fortune smile for you. Some long distance journeys will make you happy, and you will earn a lot of money from far away place where you are living right now. If you want to settle in foreign land, if you are apply for foreign land as a PR or work permit, you will definitely get very easily after 6 April 2021 to April 2022. During this time, Sagittarius, you will feel very positive energy. Your confidence level will be sky high and you will earn unexpected gains. Your old investment will give you very fruitful results. Your siblings will support you. Your friends will support you. Your social circle will rise. You will enjoy all around success. Sagittarius, आपके लगन का लॉर्ड आपके लगन से तृतीय भाव में ट्रांजिट करेंगे. 7th, 9th और 11th हाउस पे एस्पेक्ट डालेंगे. आपके लिए टाइम अपॉर्चुनिटीज रिवार्ड्स लेकर आ रहा है. पार्टनरशिप में अगर आप कोई काम करना चाहते हैं, ये समय आपके लिए बहुत अच्छा है, फ्रूटफुल है, अनएक्सपेक्टेड गेन्स हैं. जुपिटर का एस्पेक्ट 7th हाउस, 9th हाउस और 11th हाउस पे है. आपका गुड फॉर्चून आपके लिए काम करेगा. आपको अचीवमेंट्स मिलेंगी. इस समय में प्रोस्पेरिटी मिलेगी. आपके जो कॉन्टैक्ट्स होंगे हायर अथॉरिटी से बनेंगे और आपको उन कॉन्टैक्ट से काफी अच्छा गेन होगा, या हम बोल सकते हैं कि उन कॉन्टैक्ट से आपका बेस बनना शुरू होगा. अगर आप फॉरेन में सेटलमेंट चाहते हैं, वर्क परमिट के लिए वेट कर रहे हैं या अप्लाई करने वाले हैं, तो 6 अप्रैल के बाद जरूर करें. आपको डेफिनेटली वर्क परमिट मिल सकता है क्योंकि जुपिटर का असेंडेंट लॉर्ड ट्रांजिट इन 3rd हाउस, एस्पेक्टिंग इज ऑन योर 9th हाउस, क्योंकि जुपिटर का 9वें भाव पे जो एस्पेक्ट है फॉरेन रिलेटेड एक्टिविटीज को स्ट्रॉन्ग कर रहा है. फॉरेन रिलेटेड आप कोई कंपनी खोल सकते हैं, फॉरेन रिलेटेड कुछ एक्टिविटीज कर सकते हैं जो आपको बड़ा फ्रूटफुल रिजल्ट्स देंगी. देखिए, इस समय सोचे ना, सजिटेरियस परफॉर्म करें, ऑनेस्टी के साथ आगे बढ़े. जितना ज्यादा आप ऑनेस्ट होकर अपने टारगेट्स को देखेंगे, अपने टारगेट्स को फोकस करेंगे, उतनी ज्यादा बड़ी उपलब्धि आपको इस समय में मिलेगी. अप्रैल 2021 to April 2022. This whole time you will feel magic. You will feel a very great energy, a positive energy. You will enjoy all around success. Your hard work will convert in sweet success. You will earn extra money from your workplace as a commission, as a brokerage. If you are in job, your senior will be satisfied from your performance. If you are unemployed, you will get job after 6 April. If you are businessman, trader, importer, exporter, manufacturer, shopkeeper, you will definitely enjoy great success. You will definitely enjoy great source of earning. Sagittarius, you must consult with your nearest astrologer to know about which type of planet Mahadasha is active right now. Which planet Mahadasha and Antardasha are running right now in your individual birth chart. If you have a Jupiter Mahadasha, if you have a Jupiter Antardasha, this whole time will brings lot of good events of your life. You will be top, you will be sky high, you will achieve lot of goals, you will be sky high. I don't have words, how can I predict you about the good events of your life? Because Jupiter is in your third house, your confidence level will be sky high. You will become very brave person, and you, due to your courage, due to your confidence, you will create magic at your workplace. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. You will definitely steal the show. Just need to perform your best, because this whole time brings a lot of positive energy, a lot of good gains, new contacts, contacts with higher authority will make your life easy and better. Now I'm going to talk about Capricorn ascendants. Capricorn ascendants, you need to be careful, because Jupiter transit in your second house leave your first house, and Saturn is alone in your first house from 6 April 2021 to April 2022. First of all, Saturn is watching your strength of relationship. Saturn is watching your, you can say, which type of thoughts you have about your life partner, because Saturn is in first house. Now from 6 April onwards, Saturn transit alone. Jupiter enter in your second house in Karka Bhav. You need to be careful while signing any document. You need to be careful while talking with your spouse. Try to give respect to your spouse. Try to give respect and honor to your spouse. Keep your mouth mum, because this whole time brings a lot of up and down in your professional life as well as personal life. But Jupiter is in second house. Jupiter is the Karka planet of second house. You will definitely save very good money. Your family tie-ups will be ultimate. Your father, your mother, your siblings will support you. But your personal life will be a matter of concern. Saturn aspecting is on your 7th house. Jupiter transit in your second house. Jupiter aspect is on 6th, 8th and your 10th house. If you have any litigation, any type of cases, court related troubles you are facing from last few months, this time Jupiter aspect is on 6th house, will create a lot of good events of your life, and you will come out from all disputes. But I'm telling you again and again, you need to perform your best in your personal life, because Saturn is regular aspecting is on your 7th house. Jupiter aspect is on your 6th house, 7th, 8th house and 10th house. Your professional life will rise. You will earn a lot of name, fame, prosperity at your workplace. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. You may get promoted, your salary may rise, and your savings will start. You will enjoy all around success, because Jupiter is in a Karka Bhav. Second house, Jupiter will give you good fortune. This whole time, Capricorn, the more you put efforts at your workplace, the more you get fantastic results. If you are a businessman, if you are trying to apply government job, or if you are trying to apply government loan, after 6 April your loan will be granted, or someone may support you to expand your business, because Jupiter aspecting is on the 6th house. Your enemies are not able to stand in front of you after 6 April 2021. Your competitors are not stand in front of you. You will be sky high, you will be top. Capricorn, you need to perform your best. Must consult your birth chart, which type of Mahadasha and Antardasha running right now. If you have a Jupiter Mahadasha, if you have a Saturn Mahadasha, you need to perform some small remedy to give right direction and shape of your career. Otherwise, this Jupiter transit in second house will bring a lot of savings, a lot of good tie-ups with your family. Your eating habits will rise. You will gain your weight. You need to be careful while eating oily food or junk food. Try to avoid all these things. Try to avoid market food. Otherwise, Jupiter transit in second house will bring a lot of good gains, new contacts, new friends, new social circle, because Jupiter aspecting is on your 8th house. 8th house is also house of, you can say, partners, or your secret relationship. So you need to be careful. This whole time you will see some mixed result. When Jupiter is retrograde in your second house, you may be a part of any problem, but the more you honest about your things, the more you loyal, honest and passionate about your work, you will get success. You need to clear all things in front of your life partner or partners, business associates. Don't hide, don't hidden anything from your life partner or your business associates, because this whole time Saturn is in your first house. Check your all type of karma. because Saturn transit in first house is not very productive. Saturn may transit in on sign Capricorn, but in Kalpurush chart, Saturn is not comfortable in first house. Remember one thing, if you want to learn astrology, if you want to predict something, don't forget about Kalpurush horoscope, because Saturn is in first house. First house in Kalpurush horoscope denoted by Sun and Mars. So Saturn is very uncomfort. Need to focus on your relationship. 6 April 2021 to April end 2022, you will earn a lot of money. If you are willing to settle in foreign land, Jupiter's 7th aspect is on 8th house will help you. But once you must consult with your nearest astrologer to know about which type of planets you have in your natal chart, which type of Jupiter connection of your natal chart and transit. Do you have a good connection? If you have, you will definitely rock. And if you have a Jupiter Mahadasha, then your nearest astrologer will guide you which type of remedy you need to perform to get fantastic results from your workplace or from your professional life as well as personal life. So now I'm going to talk about Aquarius ascendants. By the grace of God, Jupiter enter in your first house, Aquarius. This is a wonderful time started from 6 April 2021 to April end 2022. Jupiter aspect is on your 5th house, 7th house and your 9th house. Your 11th house and your 2nd house transit in your first house. By the grace of God, you will earn a lot of money. You will earn money from speculation. You will earn money from intraday. You will earn money from your old investment in stock market. If you're doing stock market work, you will definitely blessed with a lot of gains, because Jupiter 5th aspect is on your 5th house. If you're in a living relationship or love relationship, your relationship will convert in marriage, because Jupiter's 7th aspect in 7th house. You will get fantastic results through partners. You will get a lot of opportunity to investing your money. Aquarius, Jupiter transit in your first house. 3rd aspect is on your 9th house, a Bhagya house. Good fortune is in your favor. Your mud will turn in gold. You just need to perform your best. Now it's a time to think positive and dream and think big. You will definitely achieve a lot of big goals, Aquarius, because your 11th lord is in first house, your 2nd lord is in first house, aspecting is on Kendra Sthan and Trikona Sthan, 5th house, 7th house and 9th house. You will become a successful person. Your spouse will support you. You will enter in a new horizon of your life. You will investing your money in a different work, and your whole investment will give you fantastic results, because Jupiter is in first house, aspecting is on your 5th, 7th and 9th house. Your creativity creates some magic at your workplace. If you are employee, your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. Good fortune is in your favor, Aquarius. This whole time brings a lot of positivity, good gains for you. You just need to perform your best. The more you put effort at your workplace, the more you get fantastic result, because you are very fortunate, because your 11th lord or 2nd lord transit in your first house. This whole time brings a lot of new tie-ups. You will earn a lot of money through partnership, through new business ventures. Jupiter aspect is on your 7th house. You will enjoy very good comfort in your marriage life. Your spouse will support you. You will enjoy all around success. Now I'm going to talk about Pisces ascendants. Your ascendants lord started transit in your 12th house from 6th April 2021 to 14th September 2021. Then again Jupiter entered in Aquarius from 21st of November 2021 to till April end 2022. This whole time, Pisces, you need to be careful. You need to be careful while starting anything new. Don't invest your money anywhere. Don't trust on strangers. Keep your money in your saving account, because this whole time brings a lot of up and down for you. You may be a part of any problem. You may be a part of any litigation. Some government related tax you need to pay on time. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem. Pisces, your ascendant lord is in 12th house. If you are willing to settle in foreign land, this time will give you fantastic results. You may get PR or work permit very easily, because your ascendant lord is in your 12th house. Some unexpected expenditures will create some problem. Your savings and your expenditures are not in a balancing shape, because you're feeling discomfort due to your waste, unexpected expenditures. Pisces, this whole time you need to be careful. Don't invest your money anywhere. If you're willing to settle in foreign land or start any work in foreign land, then this is the right way. You may invest your money in abroad during Jupiter transit in your 12th house. This whole time Jupiter is in 12th house will brings a lot of up and down in your professional life. You may become very spiritual. You may get fantastic results from your social circle because Saturn is transit in your 11th house. But Jupiter is in 12th house. You will be a part of any litigation, any problem. You're not comfortable the way you are. The way you live your life from last 1 year, you are out of comfort zone after 6 April 2021. Pisces, put your efforts, be honest, be humble. Don't invest your money anywhere. If you want to invest your money anywhere, must consult with your nearest astrologer. He will guide you which type of planet running in your Mahadasha and Antardasha, which type of connection of natal Jupiter and transit Jupiter in your birth chart. Pisces, this whole time Jupiter is in 12th house. You become very spiritual, there is no doubt. You may read some spiritual books, you may visit to temple or Gurudwara Sahib. But overall, Jupiter is not comfortable in 12th house, being your Lagan Lord transit in 12th house. But in Kalpurush Kundli, Jupiter is very comfortable in 12th house. So you will get mixed result, Pisces. This whole time, 6 April 2021 to April end 2022, you will see a lot of up and downs. Don't take any big decision without get any advice from your seniors or your parents or any experts. Don't create any panic situation at your workplace. Be humble, be polite, keep calm yourself. This whole time will check your patience. But in Kalpurush horoscope, Jupiter feel much relaxed and comfortable in 12th house. So some sudden unexpected gains from foreign land will make you happy. You will enjoy mixed fruit during this transit. One side you will earn very good money. Second side, you will spend your money on your luxury. You may buy new vehicle because Jupiter 5th aspect is on your 4th house. Jupiter 7th aspect in your 6th house. Your old debts will be clear. You may pay your old debts during this transit. You may buy new vehicle because Jupiter 5th aspect is on your 4th house. A luxury vehicle. And you may, go for some long distance journey because Jupiter is in 12th house. So guys, you need to know which type of planet you have in your individual birth chart. Must consult with your nearest astrologer to know about which type of Jupiter transit from 6 April 2021 to April 2022 will give you effect. If you have strong Jupiter in your natal chart, you will bless with a lot of success. If you are a weak Jupiter in your natal chart and Jupiter natal chart connection of transit Jupiter is not very comfortable, you may be a part of any problem. Need to be careful while taking any big step. Thank you for watching my video. I'm praying for a happy future and namaskar, sat sri akal, salam, shukran, jai.